So unique music has been just a thing that I've been obsessed with throughout my career. This has always been the case from when I started in 1994. There weren't that many people making music compared to today because it was really expensive and hard. My friend Andy, who I lived with, he had to get a bank loan just to get a sampler, which had 8 megabytes, not gigabytes, of memory for sounds. The screen was the size of a digital watch. And obviously now people can start making music for free. In that situation, when there's more and more people who are making music, I realized how important it was to do something new, not only for yourself and to be noticed yourself, but also for the good of the culture, for the good of music. I believe that what we do it for ourselves, but we also, in doing it for ourselves, do it for the greater good, for other people. We're contributing something. We're moving music forward in what we're doing. That's one of the reasons I think genre purists are the musical equivalent of musical tyrants. It's like musical authoritarianism. I'm for moving things forward. So this was always the case in the course of my career, because more and more people are making music. You've got to separate yourself. But now, with what's going on with AI, it's even more important. That's why I said, I know that making albums is the one way that I've developed my unique style much more quickly than anything else. And I can help a bunch of other people do that at the same time as making their album, which is where Make a Unique Album with Mike came from.